Welcome back. Chinchini branch of Kamakshi Foreign Exchange was robbed of 9,15,000 rupees on Tuesday afternoon. The robbers, who entered to exchange dollars, threw a cloth on the face of the attendant at the counter and assaulted him. Surprisingly, there was no CCTV camera installed in the premises.
$20 exchange. Again today morning he exchanged $10.
But then he came at
afterwards they came now 3 o'clock.
No, he recognized that person.
Yeah, they recognized the person. He gave a statement to police. He gave a statement to Marga police.
He's a Goan or a...
My employee.
No, that person.
They are speaking Konkani, but
very fluent.
Yeah, no, but Kankon Karwar side. He is in Apollo little from back.
Natural tip. With what they are shot at Danda?
I don't know.
Still you have not installed a CCTV camera?
No, CCTV. They laptop camera latest.
Oh, yeah,
so they have taken laptop also with that.
Laptop.
We are admitting it is our mistake also there from the CC part of it. Because he have everything planned. What I'm trying to tell is 9,15,000.
We are in Margam also.
Yeah, we have 6 branches in Goa.
High Court has reserved its order for Thursday on how to hear the plea challenging Mickey's release in engineer assault case. A matter challenging order of additional session judge to release Nuwe MLA Mickey on probation is before the High Court. Public prosecutor says the matter should be heard by the Sessions Court. However, amicus curiae suggested the High Court to take it suo motu or admit writ petition filed by Advocate Iris Rodriguez.
In the Electricity Department Junior Engineer Kapil Natekar assault case, South Goa Additional Session Judge Vijaya Pol had ordered to release convict Nuwe MLA Mickey Pacheco on probation. This order was first challenged by Advocate Iris Rodriguez in High Court, but later state government also said to the High Court that it also wants to challenge lower court's order. During last hearing, the High Court had appointed Senior Advocate Sarish Lotlikar as amicus curiae to assist the court. On Tuesday, during the hearing, state government, amicus curiae and petitioner Iris Rodriguez argued with 3 different points of view on how to hear the matter. Iris Rodriguez prayed the High Court to accept his petition and proceed. Amicus curiae suggested the High Court to take suo motu cognizance, while arguing on behalf of state public prosecutor contended that this matter should be heard by Sessions Court. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Children's Park at Kursade is in a pathetic state. Residents say there is no maintenance of the park since 2007. Children fear threat of reptiles in the garden. Senior citizens have demanded for a senior citizen park in Kursade.
This is the unattended children's park in Kurchade. Authorities have turned a blind eye to this garden since past 5 to 6 years. Around 25 to 30 children visit this garden every day and have their leisurely time. People have asked the local authorities to restore the garden.
आम्ही हांगा सद्दा बॅडमिंटन खेळपायता पण हांगा आमकां बॅडमिंटन खेळपा मेळना कित्याक हांगा ग्रास चड वाडलेले आसा प्लस हांगा नेटय ना आनी हांगा ल्हान भुरगीं जी सिसप किंवा आनी कितें खेळपायता पळय ते सगळे मोडलेले आसा आतां ल्हान भुरगीं कशी खेळटली तेजेर एक प्रॉब्लेम आसा प्लस आतां जर आमी बॅडमिंटन जर खंय खेळपाक गेले न्ही जाल्यार तुमी थंय पळयत आसा की पावसान बी थंय सामको शेळो जाता आनी खेळपा मेळना आमकां प्लस ते नेट लायले ते सुद्दां नेट ना आतां म्हणजे आतां हांगा चड भुरगीं सुद्दां कोण खेळपायना आनी आतां जर तुमी स्लायडिंगाचेर पळयत जाल्यार थंय पत्रो कळमेल्लो आसा आनी ते भुरग्यांक लागता स्लायडिंग करता आसतना प्रश्न पडला की आतां कसो करप.
On the other side, senior citizens have demanded a senior citizens park.
हांगा सिनियर सिटीजन लोक आसात त्या सिनियर सिटीजनांचे प्रॉब्लेम आसा हांगा कित्याक सिनियर सिटीजन लोकांक हांगा गार्डन ना आनी आमगेल्या आमदारा कडेन कितें उलयलेले ते ओपन स्पेस आहा त्या ओपन स्पेसात सिनियर सिटीजन गार्डन करचे हाजेर ह्या गार्डनाचे कोणेच देखरेख करूं ना देखरेख घेनात कितें बांदून बांदून दिलें आनी तें जालें बांदून जालें म्हणून मानतात तें कोण पळयता तेणें कोणी तरी ताच्या फाटल्यान.
A reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.